Wow, they killed a dog. I'm gonna go outside and see. Linda!
Go in. Go in. Hey, no, go on. I'm gonna go help her.
Holy crap, they actually ran over, a car ran over a freaking dog and it's whining. Like, I saw a dog and it was like right there going at the grass and then I just saw it walk on the street and I had to get my camera, my phone real quick so I could record this, but right now I'm recording this, but I'm serious. Look, I'm sorry, but the guys are just like covering the dog, or the dog was whining. I feel like it's about to die. I feel bad for the dog. I'm gonna go. You guys want to see it again? Okay, I'll let you see it again. Okay. I think it has blood. I don't know if there's gonna be an animal hospital or something. Come on, let's just record this crap.